Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and it's Monday. I am going to the chemist pharmacy. I'm going to get some medicine. My son is due for vitamin C and deworming. The public didn't have deworming pill, so I have to just go and the music. I just have to go in this game to get some medicine. So I'll also go to Checkers to go and check for the rye bread. My sister has a diet of its own, and this thing has diet of its own, so I need to get some rye bread or seeded bread. So yeah, let's get into this game. Sanitizer yo. I don't know where to go, but I think I will just be asking. There's a lady there. Let me go and ask. The queue for the self-medication also is full. That lady's moving fast. Okay, let me just go. So, I'm done at this camp. I got myself deworming. At least it was on medical aid. Didn't pay anything. Now I'm going to check on the rye bread for my sister. I think I will even buy some meat, because this thing of not having fridge, guys, it's a problem. It's a problem. I want a little food. Probably it's food. I'm just going to go straight to the rye bread. But the queue, I won't stand for it. I'll just go home probably. I'll buy some meat somewhere. Maybe KFC. I'm not sure. But if there's rye bread, I will.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
So, no rye bread, guys. So I'm going home. I can't be standing in long queues. It's month end, so probably I'm buying one item which I can't be standing for it for the longest time. I'm in the mall, people are looking at me. Jeez. But I'm enjoying this thing. Like Ikari looking like a crazy woman. So this will be done more often. Today it's crowded. The other time it wasn't that full. I'll decide what to eat tonight. Yesterday I ate some macaroni and mixed things, but today I really need meat, guys. So let me just stop here. Katwara rasa.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions.
Yo, but I wonder if I was audible enough. I don't know. If I'm not audible, I can say. But yo, it was noisy a lot. So let me get inside my car. Get I wanna go. Yo, jeez. Guys, the mall is loaded. What was I thinking going there in the afternoon? I should have thought about it and went during the day. But as for medicine for the kid, I had to get, because the public service, guys, public service can disappoint at some point. Those things we need them, but they are not there. So normally I used to go to Clicks to take him to Clicks vaccination and all those routines of 4 years, 5 years. You know them, the vitamin C and deworming, and he didn't get deworming in the public service, so I had to go and buy it, because I've seen him doing some fiddling and the behind, and he would say, "Mama, I'm luma," so but it means he has worms. So I had to go quickly get it, and Checkers was just not for me today. It was crowded, but if I had gotten the rye bread, my sister eat rye bread or seeded bread only, so the diet of some sort, I don't know what kind of a diet is that one, and rye bread is not. Mara, if you pack it with some veggies and some avo and some lettuce and cucumbers, those make a sandwich of some sort. It tastes nice on its own. It has its own taste, and I didn't get it, so that's why I left. For me, for me right now for dinner, I'll just go buy some KFC. That's the quickest one now, because it's getting late. Or I can just cook right then. I don't mind cooking, but it's Monday. I'm tired. I don't want to do all the cooking, so right now I'm going home. But I will pass by KFC first before I go home. I just remembered I made a call home to check if there's load shedding or whatsoever, because the KFC that I want to go is in the area whereby it will be hit by load shedding or load reduction. They told me there's no electricity, and I don't know if that load reduction, if that load reduction is affecting Paledi Mall, because I didn't want to go to Paledi Mall due to the traffic. I wanted to go to the KFC next to Moria, the big church. It's at least faster. But if both of them, they are being hit by the load reduction, I will just wait until 7 o'clock to be coming. But 7 o'clock is late. After 7 o'clock, I will go and buy from the one that I know how it will be faster and quicker. Otherwise, I don't even want to sleep early, because I tend to wake up during the night, and it's not nice, because I go to sleep again towards the time when I have to wake up for work. So it's getting dark. It's cloudy outside. It's cold. It's a cold day. This week it's gonna be cold until Wednesday, so the weather says that. And I'm using a front camera, and it's looking like I just woke up and went to the streets like that. So I will see if Paledi is working. If it's not working, I'll just pass by. I don't like traffic. It's in the evening and it's month end. That robot there, I do not prefer to be in it at this time of the day. I'm heading towards the robots at Paledi Mall, and luckily I see they are red, so I will make a turn to the shops and pass by KFC. So it's a win for me. That one down there is not working. They just close it. They will open it at 7 o'clock. So let me just buy here. I'm only going to buy meat, and I'll cook pap for on my own, and I'll do some gravy also. Yeah, that's just that. Thanks God. The traffic here at the three-phase, this is a three-phase robot. The traffic is not that bad, and taxi drivers, you know them, they will always get you inside your neck, like they will always get you here. Okay, at least it's not that bad. Yeah, the robots are working. they are working. I just hope the queue also there is not that long, because guys, people can queue, people can batho ba fula line, like they don't care. When you want something, you just fula line and get it. But now sometimes if it's not an emergency, like the queue that I got this scam, it was just a lot. If it was not emergency, I was going to go. Definitely I was going to go. So in Checkers I wanted to also buy some meat, but because it was just one item and long queues, I just decided, oh, why not, let me just go home. You see this guy in front of us, why? You should have, guys, the people we drive with on the road, the robot will also close on you, because people tend to just wait forward for no reason. And nah, I can't wait. Or I'm in a hurry. I'm always in a hurry, but I am patient sometimes. Okay, most of the times I'm patient, but when a lady unnecessary stops, the one that just happened now, or gar ke kolo ya cheleta batho ba modimo abanya ke e crusher KFC kana ish anke ke tsena ko ta ka elena oh ke di ngoji ka se akinya kutswa ka mkolong wa tonya, and it looks like the queue is long. Go inside the circle. Yeah, I'll go inside the circle, because nkata ka sa ka pele ikata ya mbita. Queue ya ona always get us inside the circle, so let me just go and start there and see how it goes. This guy, please pass so that I can go join that queue if it's long. You see what's going on? I told you the circle is full. What do I do? Ish, the circle is just full. I wish I can just park my car Mozilemo and go to Nando's. Let me just decide. Nando's, like everywhere is full. Month end situation. Don't even bother coming to the shops like this. But can I try Nando's? Because this one it's too much. This one is too much. Like the queue is if you know Paledimore, the queue starts at Nando's entrance, and the other cars are in the second. There's a beam gate, like Ruri. I never knew. Oh, beam gate. Is it working? Because it's up there. I think I'll just go park somewhere and park in Jagamulu Jona. La bona line yela yao ya mola ke this car, ke this taxi. Ya dia keva ashiti di tsena ka ke tlo tloga mo ka 9 ke ka lebaka la nama. Batho ka lebaka la nama.
Sabelo?
Le kae?
Nona le kae?
Rona ke gopela piste for the drum le di thai.
Drum le di thai. Ke na mafelo ba fa ka chips.
Nama fela.
Nama fela. Ke tsona fela.
Re
gopola le tshwere donation.
Next time.
Le tlo kgona go diemela for 5 minutes.
It's fine.
Ke re la ba le ka tsa.
Thank you. Guys, there's no meat. Now I have to wait for the meat for 5 minutes. I hope this queue can make it to 5 minutes so that when I reach there, the point of collection, my meat is okay. I was interrupted by a call. Wrong number probably. Dude. I'm saying, I just hope my 5 minutes that I have to wait for, when I arrive at the collection point, if it I just collect and go. Ke boshego wa tonya a ke na le ka heater o re o do hwetsa mpetse o tonya o ru thwe bjale go nyaka gore ke tsene ka mapaeng ke o tutetse ga batho bangwe ka re ba order the whole shop like 10 chickens at a go, so they stand to stop for a long time. mola nna ke godile piece Jeff wena ke sa yo apea bogobe boba ka mo a bonyake o swere ke tala a bonyake o bujela tala bonyaka o ijantje because you just want to eat but tala a ke trust magobe a batho. Like I said, I prefer my cookings nna. So let's wait for paying. Where's my money?
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight,